Hi, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. I'm so excited to share this project with you today. I'm going to show you how to create these really cute wallflowers, and you're never going to believe what I'm using. I'm just using plastic spoons, and I'm using a lot of them, so make sure you grab a few bags if you want to do this project. On each spoon, I'm doing some napkin decoupage, and I found these amazing napkins. Look how cute those are, and it creates this gorgeous pattern and texture. We're only using the top little part of the spoon there, and of course I created the whole thing using our Mod Podge mat. Let's take a really cool close-up look at this adorable wallflower. Now these you can mount on the wall and hang to create some wall decor, or you could do them on a tabletop. It's really endless. All right, let's dive right in. This is a super easy project, and I can't wait to see how you make it. The basic supplies are going to be plastic spoons. I have found that the cheaper the better because they break easier. I'm using a cake round for the base, some napkins, and matte Mod Podge. You're going to need about 100+ spoons depending upon the size. I'm going ahead and I'm separating the plies of the napkin. I'm only using that top printed ply. Then we're going to cut that down to fit just a little bit bigger than our spoon. I'm applying the Mod Podge directly to the spoon, and then we're going to place the napkin in. This side of the spoon, the side that dips down, is going to be the part that's visible. So then you'll just add a little bit more Mod Podge just to top coat. You don't need very much at all. Once it's dry, I trim away the excess, and then we're going to Mod Podge the rest of it to the back of the spoon. This is pretty easy, and it gives it a nice clean edge. You won't really see the back of it, but it gives a nice wraparound edge. And then you're going to repeat this for all the spoons that you need to make. Then you can go ahead and cut the handle off of the spoon. You can use heavy-duty scissors or some wire clippers. So I've got all my pieces ready, and I'm going to draw a little circle onto my cake board. This one has a scalloped edge, but you could really use any kind of a circle or cardboard. Hot glue works best for this because it glues them in place quickly. You're going to just line them up along that pencil line. And I try to overlap a tiny bit, but it's just a little bit. Look how cool it's already starting to look. So now you're just going to keep adding to the inner circle until you get to the center. Now you could fill in with the spoons all the way to the center, or you could do like I did and create a floral or a different type of thing in the centerpiece. You could even glue a mirror there or a little wood disc with a photo. It's really endless how you could decorate these. Now once it's all ready, I'm going to add a yellow flower to the center. Look how bright and beautiful that is. You can add a hanger to the back and just hang it on your wall. All right, you guys, look how cute these turned out. Who knew? Just plastic spoons and some paper napkins. Now make sure you use those hashtags Plaid Crafts and Mod Podge. If you make something like this, we want to see what you did. Until then, have a crafty week. Bye.